Hi, I'm Karyn Makuch. I'm with Lyndex-Nikken. I've been here 25 years. I'm the Inside Assistant Sales Manager. What brought me into manufacturing was long before the show How It's Made. I've been always interested in somebody coming up with an idea and making it happen. I got into the Assistant Inside Sales Manager position by really being fortunate to have the opportunity to work with all different departments within the company. Once you get to understand the background of how things work, then you get to share that knowledge. Since I've been with Lyndex-Nikken for 25 years, one thing that I've really noticed is that we have a diversity in background in the workplace, in the industry, in our company, and that's pretty awesome. For women who are thinking about going into manufacturing, do it. Roll up your sleeves and join. It's pretty challenging, but at the end of the day, it is worth it. Going above and beyond, helping our customers is what we do. No matter if the project is small or big, if it's important to them, it's important to me. A quick tip that I can share with the customers is read the fine print and the manuals. When you throw them out, because you will, call me, we'll figure it out together. A fun fact that I learned on the job is that manufacturing makes the world go round. It's really important that you learn how to do things hands-on. We see this with our next generation. My son's getting his engineering degree. My teenage daughter has her own toolbox and her power tools, and she's ready to go.